Our endeavor is to start an odyssey which will inculcate in us the zeal and spirit to embrace the galaxy of the brilliance in our midst and will lead us all to the laurels of the fame and glory.
Yeah, it's Atulyam, Stravaganza Infinity,
Rhythm on the floor,
literature,
theatrics,
sports,
creative villas,
land gaming.
and Mr. and Miss Atulyam.
On the behalf of National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh, I, Om Prakash,
I, Pooja Rai.
welcome our Director Sir, OSD Sir, Dean of Academic, Professor Kashyap Sir, all our faculty members and all our dear friends.
Friends, we are living in the country on which we remember our God before starting any good work.
So for that purpose, we would like to invite our Director Sir to please come on the stage for lighting the lamp.
पूजा सर
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So here is a promo video for our Atulyam 2013, and I am sure it is going to leave a mesmerizing effect in all of our minds.
Atulyam, this year we are having the first version of our annual cultural festival. So here is our promo video. Atulyam, yeah, exactly. It's incomparable.
Now we would like to invite our OSD sir, Professor S.K. Datta, to please come on the stage and share a few lines with us. Please, sir.
मैं बहुत पहले देखा इसको। अच्छा क्रिएटिविटी है, गुड क्रिएटिविटी देखा मैंने।
Respected Director Sahab, my colleague and friends, faculty, Professor Kashyap, and all the beloved students. It's a wonderful occasion that we all assemble here. Nevertheless, this was the handiwork of all the students. So I want to give a big hands to the students. It's a long-awaited desire, I should say secret desire of the students to celebrate this occasion in a great way. I congratulate them and I appreciate Director Saab who has instantly agreed for giving some sanction for this occasion, which is considered to be a good amount if you look at all the good institutions like IITs and IIMs. I would like to give a big hands to him also. The students, they tried the level-based to collect, donations and money from sponsorer. But as we have understood very clearly, we are living in an island. It's a very difficult region. Nevertheless, they have done it, but with much difficulty. Apart from this daily hard work, studying and all, they could manage skip some of their time, utilize it for such a great kind of thing. Really, it's an amazing. I really thank them like anything. I hope the programs they have scheduled, chalked out, I think some of the prints might have reached to you. You kindly go through this. You will find that how systematically it has been done. And one thing I appreciate, the students, they're very obedient because each and every time, whenever they are going to reform these things or any kind of suggestion, they used to come to us and discuss with us. And I am very thankful to them. They're very, very obedient. I hope we will enjoy this occasion and many more programs are forthcoming for today and tomorrow. And I wish you all the best and please support them. And as a faculty, all the faculties I request, they are also a part of the whole thing. It's not a matter of only few faculties, but all the faculties are involved in many events. I request once again all of them, kindly be with them. They are our students and they will be going with a color, lot of color flying on their ambitions in future. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. This organization set its first step on 18th August 2010. And from each and every day, we are moving forward and coming closer to our goal to make this NIT as one of the best institutes.
The day we started under the mentorship of NIT Durgapur, and now we have turned into a full-fledged university under the guidance of our own director, sir, Professor Dr. C.T. Bunia, sir. So we would like to call upon Director, sir, to please come on the stage and share a few lines with us.
My lovely students, distinguished pool of faculty members present over here, and the organizers of this ceremony. This institute or university has set up a goal and chalked out a mechanism from total transformations and having a clear agenda to come up at the top of the technical universities in India. In that perspective, the present initiative taken up by the students is brilliant and exceptionally well recognized fact of life. I want to mean that this is a well recognized fact of life because of the fact that today our nations need some things which should not be conventional. I personally believe the students must have one idea, single common idea in mind, that what you do with what you know is much more important than what you know. Therefore, your current exercise of doing with what you know is welcome in all respect. As Professor Dotto a few minutes back was talking of the monetary support by me for organizing this institute, this ceremony or this function, it's nothing new. It is a conventional issues in all universities or institutes. But as you know, always I like you to work in a different way. That's why I gave you some advice. Perhaps in this program schedule, I find the reflections of executions of my advice. I want to repeat that before the bigger pool of the students present over here. We need to think of ourselves before thinking others. Creativity, innovations within you is always you think to be superior than that is in others. I want to cite one example here. A few years back, I went through a poem, a few lines of a poem written by an unknown poet in Bengali. He wrote, প্রেম যারে ধরে রাখে স্মৃতির কোঠরে দ্বার খুলে পালাবে কোথায়. Exactly the same type of poem I read, which was wrote by Nobel laureate Tagore in his famous poem Sahajan. এক বিন্দু নয়নের জল কালের কপলতলে শুভ্র সমুজ্জ্বল এ তাজমহল. I really tried to see what is the difference in the spirit of these two poems, not in words but in spirit. After my several exercise and interactions with several literate fellows, what I find exactly there is no difference. Both are same and one in emotions and spirit. What I mean by this is that what innovations and creativity you have in your mind is always superior, I believe, than what is having in others' mind. Therefore, the students must exercise when organize this kind of functions to show their creativity, their innovations, their cultural inheritance in them, rather than calling outsiders to do some kind of performance here and to give the enjoyment in name of the cultural fest. I believe in future you exercise this spirit and you will do excellent and you will do really the wonderful things which the future generation of the students will always remember. Second most important one that I want to clearly tell you, for your purpose, not for as a advice, but as a fact of life. There was a scientific experiment on the applications of different kind of songs in human life. To do that, a scientist planted 2 plants. And under one plant, Rabindra Sangeet or Tagore songs was played. And under another plant, today's Jing-Jang songs was played. After few years, it was found the tree which was under the Tagore songs was blooming much better way and spontaneously than the other plant. This gives a clear message for the young, finest minds that the Indian culture, Indian inheritance, Indian activities in Indian forms are always superior than the forms we used to inculcate being a follower and copier. Therefore, I call upon you to think the real situations in which we can apply the real things to make it beneficial for the society. These cultural activities is a platform where one thing we can realize, that is human nobility. Where religion absent, caste is absent, creed is absent, we always behave like a human beings, and we can understand each other creativity through such kind of cultural activities and functions. Today, whole world, including India, is crippled with religious mindedness, and that is a stumbling block for the progress of the noble human society. I am not talking of India, it is noble human society. With these cultural activities, I am sure this kind of stumbling block will be removed and we will act together as one entity, and that is nothing but we are the creations of the gods to serve this universe, to make it beneficial for the human society. I had gone through the program schedule. I am amazed in looking into the different kind of the programs that you have organized, that you are going to organize. I am sure under the able leadership of the young students of this institute, of this university, this program will be very successful and will achieve the highest excellency in this regard. I welcome all of you in this exercise, and I hope the grand success of this function. Thank you very much.
Now we would like to inaugurate the Vidyut Sanchar, the first ever magazine published by our college.
We request HOD of AAA department to please come on the stage and inaugurate the Vidyut Sanchar, the first ever magazine published by our college by AAA department.
Pinku.
Hearty congratulations to the Department of Electrical and Electrical Engineering, all faculty members, all students. Thank you very much.
Its chief editor is Ankit Garg and editor is Vikas Shah and Santosh Shukla.
This magazine includes all the articles and recent advancements in EEE technology, and it also creates a platform for communication between our colleges and other colleges of our country. It also includes the research paper of the students and all the respected teachers of EEE department of our college. It's our great pleasure to invite our closest neighbors, ITI students, to come on the stage and perform a dance for us. So please clap, please invite them for a tremendous clapping.
अभी बीच में जा सकते हैं। जा
Kaju lemosila, kedilemu amgelendona, miriponu mandaju. Oh, irupemu mandaju. Tinapono kardumku, gopumku yang mandumku, sorungudu adumku. Kaju lemosila, kedilemu amgelendona, miriponu mandaju. Oh, irupemu mandaju. Sonu abangam, takkan dona menggabelaju. Sisa nami minuman, onuyai kegede gomukam, takkan dona kendak belaju. Nyampong meoyem, ngitom dokupan, royan agam, oh yeto. Tinapono kardumku, gopumku yang mandumku, sorungudu adumku. Kaju lemosila, kedilemu amgelendona, miriponu mandaju. Oh, irupemu mandaju. Kaju sone lai asai kumreklai surung kolo gedein kolo surung kolo gedein kolo gederagung agam padoper aliangun gemodoper usita dia ya doper కాచులము శ్రీలా ఎదిలము అంగలెందోలా విరిపోనుందో మన్నాడు ఓహో గరుపము మన్నాడు ఓహో గరుపము మన్నాడు
Thank you so much. Actually, not only Adi, it has completely represented all the cultures that are present in our country.
Now, I would like to invite our first year freshers girls to come on the stage and perform a local Arunachali dance which will show the Adi tradition to us.